In this presentation, we'll be discussing the essential spare parts for elevators. Understanding the components of an elevator is crucial for effective maintenance and troubleshooting. Let's begin by exploring the key components and their importance in elevator operation. Understanding the components of an elevator. Elevators are intricate machines, and the safety of passengers relies on several critical components working together. Let's start with the safety components. Emergency brakes. These are designed to engage if the elevator exceeds its normal speed or in the case of a malfunction, ensuring that the elevator stops safely. Overspeed governors. These devices monitor the speed of the elevator and activate the emergency brakes if the car is moving too fast. Safety gears. These are mechanical systems that prevent the elevator from free falling or moving uncontrollably, providing an additional layer of safety. These components work together to minimize risks and ensure smooth, safe operation for passengers. Mechanical components. Next, we have the mechanical components responsible for the elevator's movement. These include motor. The motor is the heart of the elevator, responsible for powering the lifting and lowering of the elevator car. Pulleys. These guide the cables that move the elevator car up and down the shaft, reducing friction and distributing weight. Cables or ropes. These strong steel cables support the weight of the elevator car and allow for precise movement when coupled with the motor and pulleys. Without these components, the elevator wouldn't be able to move passengers between floors. Control system components. Elevator operation is managed by the control system components, which ensure the elevator responds to passenger inputs and operates smoothly. These components include panels. Control panels inside and outside the elevator allow passengers to select floors and provide operational commands to the system. Buttons. These are the interface through which passengers communicate their desired floor or stop. Sensors. Sensors detect the elevator's position, door operation, and other factors to ensure smooth and safe movement. These components are essential for the user-friendly operation of the elevator and ensure that it responds correctly to inputs from passengers. Electrical components. Elevators rely heavily on electrical components for power and system control. Key components include relays. These are switches that control the electrical flow in the elevator's control system. Circuit breakers. These safety devices interrupt the electrical circuit to prevent overheating and electrical failures. Wiring. The electrical wiring connects the elevator's components to its control systems, providing the power and signals necessary for operation. The proper functioning of those electrical components ensures the smooth operation and safety of the elevator. Door components. The door components play a crucial role in passenger safety and convenience. These include door operators. These are the motors and systems that automatically open and close the doors. Door panels. These are the physical doors that passengers see, made of materials strong enough to withstand daily use. Safety edges. These sensors detect obstructions in the door's path, ensuring the doors don't close on passengers. These components are vital to ensuring that the elevator doors operate safely and efficiently. Suspension components. The suspension components support the elevator car's weight and balance the movement of the elevator. They include ropes or cables. These suspension ropes hold the weight of the car and counterweights, providing stability. Sheaves. These pulleys guide the ropes, ensuring smooth movement of the elevator car. Counterweights. Counterweights balance the weight of the elevator car, reducing the load on the motor and making the system more energy efficient. These components ensure the elevator moves smoothly and remains balanced during operation. Cabin components. The cabin components are what passengers interact with directly. These components enhance the comfort and aesthetics of the elevator. Key parts include handrails, provide stability and safety for passengers while in the elevator. Lighting. Proper lighting improves visibility and comfort within the cabin. Mirrors. often included for aesthetic purposes and to give the illusion of more space. These components can vary depending on the design and purpose of the elevator, but they always aim to improve the passenger experience. Maintenance and replacement parts. Finally, we have maintenance and replacement parts. Keeping an elevator in good working order requires regular maintenance, which includes replacing worn-out parts. Essential maintenance and replacement items include lubricants, used to reduce friction in moving parts, ensuring smooth operation. Belts and bearings. These wear out over time and must be replaced to maintain efficient mechanical movement. Switches. Electrical switches may need to be replaced during routine maintenance to ensure proper control and functionality. Having these parts readily available ensures that the elevator can be quickly serviced, minimizing downtime and preventing major issues. Conclusion. To summarize, understanding the various components of an elevator and having a proper spare parts list ensures safe, efficient, and uninterrupted operation. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of worn parts can extend the life of the elevator and improve its performance. Thank you for your time.